Nelly, you building the blocks?
Oh, not too heavy.
No, it's too tall.
Not too tall.
It's too tall. Maybe start another one. What color is that one? Whoa! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You okay?
That's nice. Look, Mommy, that's heavy.
What color is that one?
That's green.
Yes. What color is that one?
That's red.
What color is this one?
Oh, that's yellow.
What color is this one?
Oh, that's blue.
Wow. Nelly, you have friends over there. Who are those? Who's that over there? Who's that?
That's teddy bear.
Who's this one?
That's owl.
That's not an owl.
That's the penguin.
Penguin. That's great. Good job. What are you going to make with your blocks?
A tall.
A tower?
No, that's tower.
A tower? A tall one?
Yes, that's the tower.
It's gonna fall over. Wow. I'm not gonna. Okay, hold on. Let's straighten it. You got it?
That's it close.
Phew, that was close.
Ah! Be careful.
Careful. Oh. You did that on purpose, silly.
I got there.
That was on purpose, silly.
And then let's do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oop.
Yeah.
Oh man, mommy messed it up. Sorry.
Oh, no.
You want it separate?
No.
You want to put it together?
That's not posted there.
Okay, cool. Good job, Nolly.
Hi, penguin. No. Okay. Oh, look for me. I forgot.
What did you forget?
I forgot the yellow.
You forgot the yellow one?
Yes, I forgot the blue one.
The yellow and blue one? Where is it?
Who is this?
Where'd you put it?
I don't know. That's yellow. That's yellow. Have two. Okay. Okay, Mommy.
Yes, baby. Okay, bye.
Bye.